Yes, brother. Very good afternoon.
So
How
I
are you?
think our meeting is first time. So we should introduce with each other. So please give me your short introduction.
Okay, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. As you know, I'm Suklal Hasda. I'm from State Jharkhand of India. I'm a YouTuber as well as a farmer. If I talk about my education qualification, I have done graduation, Bachelor of Arts, and my hobbies are playing football, reading books, and talking English like this with people. Yeah, it is my brief introduction, and I am also so eager to know about you. Please say something about yourself.
Okay, nice introduction from your side. So my name is Ravi Kumar. I am from Sonipat, Haryana. If I talk about my qualification, then I completed my graduation in arts stream. And if I talk about my profession, now currently I am working as a farmer. And if I talk about my hobbies, then I like reading books and listening music and traveling. All about me.
Wow, great to know about you. And are you YouTuber? Have YouTube channel?
Yeah, I'm I again my started YouTube channel. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I have watched you on YouTube. I think.
No. I'm just beginner, and uh, I have already used you watch your video since 1 month ago.
Okay, thank you for watching me. And okay, so what about your English speaking journey? When did you start to learn, and what was the reason behind learning this language? Please say something about it.
Okay. So I started my journey for 1.5 months ago, and after that I started my speaking journey on this app before 25 days ago.
Oh my God, only 25 days.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So how many conversion have you done till now?
Hey, I'm just beginner. I I speaking a lot of practice in day. So I do 3 or 4 session every day on this app.
Wow, great work you are doing. 3 per session you are taking. It is great work, great effort, I can say, in order to improvement. Yeah, you are doing great. Yes, yes. So, how did you know about this app? Who told you about this application?
Okay. Uh, I was watching a video on YouTube. And that time I comment on his video. Uh, invited me on this app. Then after that, I am using this app.
Okay, very good. That's great. Yes, yes. So, as you told me that beside this application, you are using like what kind of application you are using for like audio session? Which kind of application beside this application?
No, it is my first application, and
Oh, yeah.
I am just learning some basic grammar rule.
Yes, yes, yes. That's great. Okay, you have downloaded this application first time, and it's been for 5 days after starting talking in here. Okay. Okay, so did you join any kind of coaching class or online class for learning this language, or are you learning yourself?
Yeah. I purchased a course from Owl, and I practice it regularly. I completed the 5 lesson now. It has 65 lesson.
That's great. That's great. Okay. So do you think that grammar is important or not? What is your opinion?
Yeah, grammar is important because some basic grammar rule are used when we make a sentence. So some people are not give importance of grammar because they always tell without grammar you can speak, but it is I think totally fake. Tense is more important Without tense, we can't make a sentence. So, some basic grammar rule are most important for learning this language.
Wow, great answer you have given, and it is fabulous answer you have given. Okay, and I agree with you. I agree with your statement. Okay, and it's my I can say that a perspective in order to, because in order to this language, yeah, I prefer that basic grammar is most important thing. Without having the basic grammar rules, we can't understand that how to make sentence, and we cannot catch their mistake whatever they are speaking, whatever I am speaking. If the people who has the knowledge of grammar, so he can understand easily that how I am speaking. Okay, and if he does not know that grammar rules like tenses, models, prepositions, so he cannot understand. And
Yeah, yeah,
that's why I believe that basic grammar rules is important. As well as for learning this language, you will have to speak, you will have to practice in order to speaking. Yeah, like this we are learning this language. Yeah, it's, I can say that basic grammar rules helps me a lot in order to this language. I can say that if I would not have studied the basic grammar rules, now I would not have spoken English in front of many kind of people. That's why I can say that by the studying of basic grammar rules I have learned English. But for speaking English you will have to speak, because you know, uh, the knowledge of grammar and I can say that learning the English and speaking, both things are very different. Yeah, different is that you will find a lots of people, they have the knowledge of the grammar rules, they have the knowledge of like basic grammar rules, but they cannot speak. It's the problem of 90% people from our society. It's the problem.
yeah.
So how they can start speaking English? In your opinion, what would you like to say to those people who have the knowledge of grammar but they cannot express their thought by English speaking? So what they should do, or how they can start English speaking? What should they do? In your opinion, please say something.
Okay, in my opinion, firstly, if someone to learn this language want to learn this language, so he can start from zero. Firstly, he find their level. What is their level? So after know their level, so he should start from the level. So and some firstly some basic rule learn. After that they need to more practice for speaking.
Yes, you are right. You are right, and yeah, fabulous answer you have given about it. Practice is most important thing, and they should start from like basic things, like basic speaking, like yeah, and like that they can start speaking. Yes, you are
Okay,
right. You are right.
I would like to ask you some question. So when did you start your English journey?
Yes. Okay, I'd like to tell you that I have been speaking English since it's been I can say 5 months.
Okay.
Yeah, yes. It's been 5 months after talking English.
Okay. So what technique you are used for speaking?
Yes. Okay, very good question you have asked, and after listen this answer, so definitely they will also think about it. Actually, you know that I was the student of government school, and that was Hindi, totally Hindi medium, and
Yeah.
that school was in my village. That's why in the school as well we were speaking in our local language, Santali language, and you will not understand, you will not believe me that we could not learn the Hindi language as well when we were the student of class 6 7. After 7 class we started speaking in Hindi language as well, and when I was the student of class 6 7 class, that time I started reading the books in English. Before
Yeah.
6 7 class I was unable to read the book properly, so that was my condition. So
Yeah. Yeah.
when I passed matric inter, I started learning the basic grammar rules. Yeah, as well as I was trying to speak, because I can say that I thought that time if I will not speak the English, so how can I speak that language? And there was not anyone for talking with me, so I did one thing, that self practice, and just self speaking means I was thinking something, and I was trying to explain myself about that question. I was asking question and explain about that question myself. Yeah, myself, I have done everything, and like that I had started, and nowadays I am focusing on my speaking parts as well. Yeah, and I can say that if I will say about the techniques, as you know that there are four pillars of learning any kind of a language, like LSR technique, LSRW technique: listen, speaking, reading, and writing. But nowadays, if I talk about myself, now I am focusing on speaking parts. Yeah, speaking parts I'm focusing, because nowadays I'm trying to uplift my English speaking, and nowadays I'm trying to speak like basic to advanced like that. So that's why I'm trying to uplift my English speaking. That's why now I'm trying to connect with people, like different people, so that I can learn their ideas, their thought by English speaking. Yeah, nowadays now I am working like that for improving.
Okay, as you told me, along with learning, you are a farmer, also like me. And what kind of crops you grow in your field?
Okay, yes. Yeah, I have mentioned that I belong to farmer family. That's why I sometimes go to work in. Sometimes I go to field for working purpose. And yesterday we have started cutting paddy, and it's the time for cultivation of the crops of paddy. That's why we have started cultivation in order to like paddy crops. Yeah, paddy crop. And apart from it, nowadays we are cultivating like brinjal, tomato, like that. And yeah, I can say that two crops we have planted. And next, I'm thinking about radish like that, mustard,
That's great.
wheat.
Okay, in your videos,
Yes.
you are working on outside of, I think, the village, and I think it may be your farm.
No, actually, now I'm not standing in my land. Actually, it is villagers' land, and now just I came outside for conversation purpose, because you know that in my village you will not get the network properly. That's why it is very difficult to make the videos from home. So that's why sometimes I can say that every time whenever I will have to record this session, so that's why I will have to come outside. After that, I will able to make the video properly with a co-learner like that. Network is the main problem in the village area. You can understand.
Yeah, I watch your videos regularly. So your video is informative for beginner, and I think your channel name is Dehati English Wala. Now,
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much from my deepest heart. And yeah, really, I think I have no any words for you. And thank you so much for watching me for a long time. And now you are also speaking quite well, and keep speaking like this. And definitely, you will be better version of yourself. Yeah, I can say that now you are speaking well.
okay,
Yes.
I think you have
Okay.
changed your channel name. Yeah, am I
Yeah,
right?
that is my channel. Yeah, you are right. And you are a real subscriber.
Your voice is breaking. I think it's
Okay.
a network problem. Oh,
Yeah, good to hear you.
oh.
Please say again. I did not hear you.
Yeah, I can hear you, but your screen is stop.
Yeah, I think there may be network issue.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
and next time I will connect you for like practicing purpose, and we should end this session because I will upload this video. Okay, okay. Okay,
Okay,
nice to meet you, and
same to you.
really I this conversation, and the moment which I have spent with you is memorable for me. Thank you so much. Okay.
Okay, same to you, and have a nice day.
Okay, thank you. Bye.